Have you ever wanted to know how agencies like us continuously launching stunning and high performing WordPress website for their clients? Today, I will be sharing our secret tools that help us to launch smart, fast, and reliable WordPress website for our clients. So stay tuned. Thank you. Hi, everyone. This is Kazi from Agon Studio. We are passionate about helping agency to scale with confidence, with creativity and zero compromise. Our mission is to be the backbone of an agency so that that agency can deliver quality work to their client continuously. As we mostly create website on WordPress, so we choose a pro theme from Themeco to create those websites. So in this video, we will share how pro theme helping us to deliver quality website, fast and reliable website to our clients. Let's start the video. So before we talk about pro theme, we need to talk about the company that introduced pro theme in the market, Themeco. So Themeco is being in the market from 2012. They started their business with the product called X Theme that was being sold on ThemeForest. It's one of the fastest selling theme in the market that time. Now it's empowering about 300K plus website worldwide. So they're in the business for some time and they're continuously supporting the theme, and they introduced Pro Theme after X Theme yeah, in 2017 or 16, I guess. So then they are improving that theme continuously. And it's been 2025 right now. So it's been 13 years of their journey. And I have been part of it about 6 to 7 years. So this is on a perspective of reliability, this is very important. We don't want to use any kind of theme that is new or not being supported, or their support system is not good. So that's why ProTheme is very much usable, because their mother company is in the market for some time and they're doing great work regarding improvement and bug fixing of the theme. Now we will talk about the ecosystem of ProTheme. So the ecosystem regarding a theme, what is that? So we are with ProTheme. Theme contributes the builder itself, the Cornerstone Builder. So with that, they are completed a total ecosystem of the theme, their own builders, and their support system, and they have their 16 extension regarding developing a WordPress website. So with that, they are very much complete process of ecosystem. This can be defined like that. Like, to me, Themeco is the Apple of WordPress theme community. Like Apple has their own user base, user interface, their products, and ecosystem. You don't need to go out of that ecosystem. So like that, Themeco has their own ecosystem with their user perspective, with their interests and things. So you don't need to go out of that ecosystem to improve anything for that process. The builder is great. The theme is fast and reliable. Their support is great. So overall, these are the things that helps you to do better website for their client that is reliable. We can define this part as the ready to go whenever you want. So with Pro Theme and and Cornerstone, so it is very fast to develop a website, because with Cornerstone they develop such an interesting way with parameters and elements, so that you can customize the element yourself, you with parameters, and create your own elements for the development. You can easily change the color, the font from a global perspective. You can create global elements for the whole website. You can implement any design with the elements with simple CSS implemented. And also it is very developer friendly. You can implement about 7 places on the theme regarding JavaScript, even PHP code, and also CSS, obviously. So those are the way you can create a sustainable website for future. So any update will not hamper the code that grows in the process, that we have been facing that other themes as well, because that's why we use child theme. But with Themeco, you don't have to do that. You most of the code are on the theme, so you don't have to do any update. Will not break the code or remove the code as a whole. So this is very interesting perspective from Themeco. And with the templating process, with the new templating process, when the basement is done regarding the development, you can create multiple pages. You can create 30 or 40 pages website very fast. That is very interesting. So we will see in our upcoming videos how you can create interesting pages. We can use those elements like parameters, like templating process, like global box, to build interesting website with ProTheme. So Themeco has powered up ProTheme with 16 extensions. Yeah, you heard it right, 16 extensions. So in the development process, you have to understand, like we use a lot of plugins for WordPress to do different things. Like for custom post type, we use ACF. Okay. So ProTheme has a native process to support ACF. You have ACF on the theme as a process. You don't have to buy ACF. Though you need to pro version, you need to buy, but after sometimes the pro version is being automatically updated on ProTheme. So you don't have to buy ACF, like Revolution Slider, like Essential Grid, so Modern Calendar. So those are the interesting plugin that has been with ProTheme for long time. With 16 extension, it's more than enough for any developer to develop a functional, interesting WordPress website. So you don't really need any extra plugin for do anything other than that functional thing. Like for e-commerce, you can use WooCommerce. Those are the different perspective. But for general website, you don't need anything other than ProTheme and Themeco and Cornerstone and the 16 extensions you have with ProTheme. So this is a very powerful part of ProTheme, that they are supporting those extensions. That means any update are being tested with those plugins first. So you can see, you can check, you can update those things. Very interesting part is that when sometimes you will ask questions about those plugins, you will see answer from ProTheme's forum will pop up on the search results, not the answer from the plugins native support. So this is a very interesting part from ProTheme, that how much Themeco has provided support for those extensions on their forum. So those are being the first answered on the Google search results. So this is also an interesting part for any agency to have a sustainable theme that is helpful without any kind of extra plugin that will harm the website, that will make the website slow or something like that. So we don't want any kind of error when the WordPress updates, when the plugin updates. So Themeco always takes that part clear from any kind of updates. They have the testing, and those are the things. So that's why this is the power of part from Themeco regarding the 16 extensions. Now we'll talk about their support. So in my development career, we have used a lot of themes for different reasons, and a lot of problems comes, and we ask on their support system. But on a top level, I think in this theme market, Themeco support system is one of the best. Their reply, their documentation, their dedication is top notch. You have every answer. They give every kind of support you can imagine. But the thing is that you need to pay for yearly subscription for their support process. That's why they are having the possibility to support their own system to give us results regarding any kind of issues. So that's the thing. And the support is their forum support is so great that you will find those answers on any from the plugins that being used on the Themeco themes, and you will get this answer as a result from the forum. Like if you have used a revolution slider issue that you want to have a solution, if you search on Google, most of the cases we see that the result is coming from Themeco. So this is very interesting. How much effective their support system, and you will already find that answer on the forum regarding anything. So kudos to their support, and I think that is one of the part that as an agency we are using ProTheme, because we are using ProTheme for hundreds of websites. So we don't want to have a headache that if any issues come, where we'll find a solution. So Themeco is always backing up with a great support system, and we are really as an agency are thankful to Themeco. And I think that's why they're +1. And if you are an agency, you need to also look into that and use ProTheme for WordPress website. So lastly, we want to talk about the social community we have on Facebook. It's a community that built with the user of ProTheme and the love we have for ProTheme and the support we have for Themeco. And WordPress is all about community and community building from other product as well. And Themeco has the same thing for their part. And they listen to us. They want to listen to us. They ask us. They hear us, and they build the product such a way that we are being asking for them, and they support in an interesting way. So that's why Themeco is very reliable, and other agencies also use that. And I think you also try ProTheme from Themeco for your agency. I think it will be reliable and sustainable for your business as well. So why ProTheme? It's all about freedom, speed, and reliability. Everything agency needs to deliver standout results every time. Thanks for watching this video. At Agon Studios, it's all about rising to the challenge. See you in the next video. Bye.